Hello and welcome to Stride. Today we're going to spend a few moments together discussing how Stride benefits professionals in the tax planning industry. It doesn't matter if you're a CPA, an accountant, enrolled agent, or even a tax attorney. If you work in the tax filing, tax planning, and/or tax mitigation fields, and you see the value in working with businesses and business owners, then you need to understand what Stride can do for you. Let's start by touching on what Stride is for tax professionals. First, Stride is differentiation. As a professional and a business owner, you understand how important it is to separate and distinguish yourself from the competition in the absolutely saturated market you're operating in. Stride has been providing this game-changing market differentiation for our tax planning associates with incredible levels of success for the last decade and a half. Stride is working with the best clients. We all know that in the tax planning industry, the complicated clients are the best clients. It's an easy equation. The more work you do, the more sophisticated that work is, the more money you make. Businesses and business owners are the best clients, and that's exactly who we're going to get you in front of. A critical component to your overall success is keeping those clients that you already have. So if you already have business and business owner clients, we're going to show you how Stride will guarantee that they never leave you for your competition. While retention is a huge issue, we've all heard that in business, if you're not growing, you're dying. Just as you'll hear your peers explain on our weekly national calls, Stride will bring you as many businesses and business owner clients as you can manage, something your competition only dreams about. Working with Stride affords you access to the most proven and successful marketing strategies and platforms in the industry. When you come to include Stride in your suite of services, you will receive access to an incredible business automation tool. Associate tax professionals across the country are using this tool daily to acquire new clients that they've never even spoken to. This occurs 24 hours a day, 7 days a week. Stride is coaching and mentoring, but not just relative to what we do and how it explodes your practice, but from a business management and expansion standpoint as well, which brings us to agency building. Many tax professionals have expressed the desire to build and/or expand an agency, so we have developed a proven platform for that as well. While we do all these great many things, let's start with what I consider to be the most important: differentiation. So why is differentiation so very important? Well, for two reasons, really. First, it's because there are far too many professionals chasing the same clients, and it takes more than simple assertions and promises to distinguish yourself from your peers. You need to bring real, quantifiable, and tangible attributes and opportunities to the table to truly set yourself apart. And second, because your industry is currently in a more dangerous state of flux than ever before. According to a national tax planning publication, based off of a series of polls that were run in 2015 and 16, 73% of your best clients have one foot out the door. Who are your best clients? You guessed it. It's not the everyday simple return clients. No, it's the complicated clients. Those that have complex needs and desire comprehensive solutions. Those are the ones that are ready to go find the professionals that will deliver on their needs. This can be good or bad for you. If you're not with Stride, you may be in trouble. However, if you are with Stride, not only do you get to be the one that these best clients seek out, you also get to kill the 73% in your own book of business. While there's never a better time than the present to make massive strides forward, pun intended, there is a particularly important reason right now. In fact, there are 10+ trillion of them. You see, the largest transition of wealth that has ever occurred in this country has just kicked off. According to this and many other articles, our country is facing an economic turnover like never before. An anticipated near 17 million businesses have started and will continue to change hands through sales, succession, consolidation, and closure over the coming 8 to 10 years. These tens of millions of businesses, business owners, and managers are currently seeking the best tax advice available, not only to maximize current profits, but also to prepare for their own transition. That advisor could be you. Not only could it be you, it should be you. According to this study, There is a massive void in quality service and tax planning being afforded to these, the best clients in the country. 72% of them have not prepared at all, while 14% started but never finished. That's an incredible 86% of the biggest and best market for which we have no competition that is currently open to you. So the only questions you have to ask yourself are, what are you going to do to kill the 73% in your book? How are you truly going to set yourself apart? And what are you going to do to secure your place at the table for this once-in-a-lifetime economic event? Thank you for joining us on our call today, and we look forward to working with you here at Stride.